PC expansion cards are necessary for enhancing performance, adding connectivity, upgrading graphics, storage, and customizing computer capabilities efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best expansion cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Glotron's expansion card. This 12-port PCIe SATA expansion card is a powerful solution for users needing massive storage scalability and efficient drive management. With support for up to 12 SATA drives simultaneously, it is ideal for building large storage arrays, media servers, or software RAID setups across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. Powered by ASM 1064 and dual JMB 575 controllers, it delivers stable PCIe 3.0 bandwidth, ensuring reliable data distribution across multiple drives. The clear LED status indicators enhance usability by providing real-time drive activity feedback, making monitoring simple and intuitive. Its plug-and-play design ensures hassle-free installation without complex driver requirements, while broad compatibility with various operating systems and NAS setups adds flexibility. The included SATA cables, power splitters, and full-size bracket make it a complete installation package. Now our second product is a loading expansion card. This 7-port PCIe USB expansion card is a reliable upgrade for users needing additional high-speed connectivity and stable peripheral performance. Equipped with a dual-phase independent power supply design, each USB 3.0 Type A port operates independently, reducing power shortages and ensuring consistent performance across all connected devices without requiring external power. Delivering theoretical speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, it offers up to 10 times faster data transfer than USB 2.0, making it ideal for moving large files such as HD videos, photos, and music efficiently. Built on NEC 720201 and NEC 720210 chipsets, it ensures a stable voltage output with 5V/2A support per port, enhanced further by high-quality solid capacitors that improve durability, thermal stability, and low-impedance performance. Its wide PCIe compatibility, X1 to X16, and support for multiple Windows and Linux systems add versatility, while plug-and-play functionality on newer OS versions simplifies installation, making it a strong and efficient expansion solution for modern PCs. Our third product is ASUS expansion card. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe expansion card is a high-performance storage solution designed for demanding users who need extreme speed and scalability. Supporting up to 4 M.2 NVMe SSDs across multiple form factors, 2242, 2260, 2280, and 22110, it delivers an impressive combined bandwidth of up to 256 gigabits per second, making it ideal for data-intensive workloads such as 4K per 8K video editing, large-scale data processing, and high-end gaming. Built on a PCIe 4.0 x16 interface with server-grade low-loss PCB materials, it ensures stable and efficient signal transmission while maintaining compatibility with X8 and X16 slots. The card also supports high-power 14W SSDs, making it suitable for next-generation storage drives. Its advanced cooling system, featuring a stylish heatsink and integrated blower-style fan, effectively prevents thermal throttling and maintains consistent performance under heavy loads. Now number 4, Ylia expansion card. This PCIe USB expansion card is a practical and efficient upgrade solution for desktop users who need additional high-speed connectivity. Offering 7 total USB 3.0 ports, including 2 Type-C and 5 Type-A, it significantly expands a PC's peripheral support, allowing seamless connection of devices such as external drives, printers, webcams, scanners, gaming controllers, and VR equipment. With transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, it enables fast and stable data movement for large files like HD videos, photos, and music, though actual performance depends on connected devices. Its broad compatibility with PCIe X1 to X16 slots and support for multiple operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS, ensures flexible integration across most desktop setups. Installation is straightforward with included screws and driver support, while newer systems often require no drivers at all. And our last choice is LDLRUI expansion card. This PCIe USB 3.2 Gen 2 expansion card is a powerful and practical upgrade for desktop users who need high-speed modern connectivity. Featuring two USB-C ports powered by the ASM3142 chipset and a PCIe 3.0x4 interface, it delivers up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, enabling ultra-fast file handling, including large datasets, 4K media, and game installations with minimal delay. Its flexible performance allows 5 gigabits per second per port when both are in use, or full bandwidth when using a single device, ensuring efficient multitasking. Compatibility with PCIe 2.0 and higher systems makes it suitable for both older upgrades and new builds, while support for X4, X8, and X16 slots enhances installation flexibility. The dual power design, including SATA backup power, ensures stable output for high-demand peripherals, preventing data loss and disconnections. Combined with strong safety protections and easy installation, it offers a reliable, future-ready solution for expanding USB-C capabilities on any desktop system. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.